Once you make a proposal, it will either be immediately accepted or sent to the pending proposal list. The route it takes depends on how many upvotes and downvotes there are for the edited node. The total number of downvotes is subtracted from the total number of upvotes to get the net total of votes for a node. In general, a proposal requires a number of approving votes minus disapproving votes equal to at least half of the net votes that the node it is amending has. If the net total of votes for a node is less than 3, any proposal will automatically be accepted. And if the number is 3 or more, such as with the library science node, which has a total of 9 upvotes and 0 downvotes for a net total of 9 upvotes, the proposal will go to the pending proposals list, which can be found on the sidebar here. In evaluating a pending proposal, click on the proposal in the pending list. The node that it is a proposal for will pop up. So if we click here, we'll see the node that it is proposing an edit to. Then click on the propose evaluate versions of this node located at the bottom of the node and click on the pending proposal you want to evaluate. So if we go here, we'll see propose evaluate versions of this node, and it will show you the proposals for it, which can be seen here. Evaluate whether you think the proposal is helpful or unhelpful by looking at the parent or ancestor nodes to understand the node you are editing. The proposal will be accepted when it receives a sum of upvotes minus downvotes equal to over half the net votes of the node it is changing. So for the records management node, which has 0 downvotes and 3 upvotes for a net of 3 votes, it would require at least 2 votes for this edit to be accepted. Pending proposals cannot be downvoted off of the pending proposals list. To evaluate them, you should open the list of the pending proposal on a specific node by clicking on the pencil button. Once again, the propose evaluate versions of this node. Pending proposals will continue to get up or down votes until they either qualify as an accepted edit or the original creator deletes the proposal.